Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Vibhuti. So it's been quite some time since we have done only cotton, videos, and this one I'm going to be showing you a couple of cottons from the premium one, from the regular Banarsi cotton collection, and of course the printed chanderi that I'm wearing. Now what I'm wearing here is the Rosa collection. The Rosa is printed on chanderi. Of course, I had styled this one as a mandarin collar with these knots here, and you can see the knots here. It was the same combination, and yes, we did have dupattas with this, and which is what I'm going to show you. And so we are starting out with Rosa. Now for these designs, if you would like to get the same ones done, so I'll come back to the design part. This is the two dupattas available with this chanderi cotton, and I'm going to show you the white one first. Anyway, so as I was saying that about the design references, if you'd like to have a copy, you could take a copy of our design style reference, Neve style reference, and you can see how these stylings have been done. But of course we don't have designs for all of that you're going to see. Some of these we have, but some of these can be used in different different fabrics. So it's just a collection of many designs together that we have kind of used. And yes, so we are very happy to share it with you. Anyways, so this is the first one. As you can see this chanderi printed cotton, and you can see how summery it is, how light it is, the print. This is all print, so this is pure chanderi cotton, and we have printed our pieces on this one for you to see. So this is one option for the white dupatta. Now the second one that we have is this sunny yellow. It's a beautiful shade of yellow, and yes, so look at this. It really brightens up the day. Not to say that this wasn't looking nice. So this one is a very all in all similar one, very subtle, and this one is in contrast, and it really kind of pops it up. You can always take two dupattas and wear it differently. That's also an option. Now the complete suit with 5 meters of this printed fabric for bottom and kurta, and this either one of these dupatta is 6,800, 2.5, 2.5. If you'd like a plain bottom instead of a design one, then this is an option. You could go for something like this for a plain bottom, and this suit set then becomes 5,800. So plain bottom is an option, printed bottom is an option. You could even just take the dupatta or the fabric only 930. This one is 32. So yes, all these options are available, and I'm going to very quickly move on to the next pieces that I have. Now this is the first piece that I'm showing you. And look at this. This is pure cotton. This is woven here, and this is also woven. This is 780 per meter. This dupatta is 2,500. And yes, the tassels have been done. It's a light, very light lemon color, as you can see. And look at this. So this is the suit combination. These are great for regular wear, or for a semi-casual. Now you can get a plain bottom with this if you'd like. You can place an order and we'll do it for you. This is 2.5 only for the kurta. If you'd like to, not wear a particular bottom, or, use something that you have, that's also an option. So yes, this is the first combination we have. The second one is of course from a premium cotton. This is premium cotton in Sona Rupa. You can see the borders right here. So there is zari in this. This is a lovely shade of grey, which we have, paired up with this, mustard yellow, a little darker shade of yellow, and this is the dupatta for it. So this is again in chanderi cotton. You can see the weaving, you can see the little triangles in the design, and I'm going to just show you this. Here it goes. So this is the dupatta, beautiful dupatta with it. This is 2,800 per meter. This is 3,400. You could take a same on same for the entire suit, this fabric, and it would look really nice. We could also always give you a plain bottom with any of these. So this one is a mix and match session of ours to show you many colors, many designs, and which of course in collections it's all same, but here you get a chance to see many colors. Now again, this is a premium cotton, as you can see, 2,800 per meter. You can see the design it has this is a difficult one to weave with multiple colors and stripe, and it comes with a border. Now this one, what we have combined it is with this Chanderi dupatta that comes with it. It's really soft. So this is premium cotton, 2800 per meter. This is Chanderi cotton, and I think it's a nice kind of contrast. Again, I would say that you could take this fabric for your kurta and your bottom, and of course this is the dupatta with it. So both the options. Moving on to the next. Yes, this one. Now this one is our Banarsi cotton with this woven zari. This is 1280 per meter, and with this we have this yellow color dupatta. This doesn't have zari, it has resham, as you can see, but you can see the combination here. You could again take this for the entire suit, or you could take a plain bottom. This is 2500. This one is 1280 per meter. Here it is for you to see. And yes, moving on to the next. This one, we have two options in a premium cotton today, and after that we have many suits. So yes, this one's going to have a lot of options for you guys to see. Look at this. This is the arrow design in premium cotton. The zari is silver. With this we have this Chanderi cotton dupatta which has been combined. This is 2400 per meter. This is 3200 for the dupatta. So yes, this is it's a nice contrast, makes it a bit light. And again, going on to this, we have this Buta which is 2800 per meter. This is a premium cotton again, and with this we have this embroidery dupatta in Chanderi cotton. This is embroidered, as you can see. So this one is a very subtle combination, makes for a nice casual look, but because of the zari, it's a very light gold zari. I just think it's pretty, it's a semi-casual. And with this one, you can wear many dupattas. I could pick up any dupatta from here and show it with this one, and it would match. So this fabric is super flexible. And yes, now going on to some, pastel combinations. Here it is. Now this one is lovely. This is a white Banarsi fabric. It has weaving. This dupatta is 2500. It's and this one is 780 per meter. So here you go, and this is a very nice summery combination. Moving on to the next, we have from our rose collection now, and with our rose collection we do have another Chanderi. I had shown this piece in, I think, in a shade of yellow, and now this is a pastel pink, and this one can be dyed in fact in the same color if you'd like. That's also possible, but I love this gold combination. The rose is one of our most popular premium cotton suit collection, because of the very reason that it is so flexible. It is so easy to kind of match. So you could wear again this, and look at this graceful combination, but you could wear this one also with many other design options. And then we do have rose, and we have them in colors, and I'm just going to quickly show it to you what colors we have. Now this one is a woven. This is a very light lime color. This one is the green with the silver zari, pure cotton. It's a striking green. And to offset this, we have a light combination in this. The zari in this one is gold. This is for 5000. This is 2800 per meter. Yes, that's the cotton one, and those are 2800. I do have more of the rose cottons. I'm going to come to them. This is again from a premium cotton with the stripes. Now this one is with this Chanderi dupatta, as you can see. Let me open them and show it to you. Yes, this is the dupatta with it, and here this is actually, the stripes are going to be running like this. We even have these borders at the side, and this is the combination for this one. Now this one is our cotton woven again. This dupatta in a pink, 2500, and this fabric is 880 per meter. You can see this is really, again, it's summery. This is 2.25, this fabric, so see that works for you. And yes, this is a combination of pink and a green, a classic summer combination. moving on to the next. Now this one is my favorite. I love this because of this beautiful combination. This bandhni dupatta, this is a Lehriya dupatta in Kota silk. This is 2200 and this fabric is 2.25 again, and this one is also 2400. So this is, really bright and perfect for Holi, in fact, which is coming. Many of these are good for that, the Holi parties that you guys are going to have. Hope many of you are vaccinated, as many as you could be, and with God's grace, many of us will be soon in future. And yes, that will be a new world completely. Now this one is Banarsi cotton. This one, this dupatta with it, I like the contrast. It looks nice, very easy to wear. This one is 880 per meter and this one is 2500. So look at this combination. Very, very summery, very good for regular wear. You could just wear it to work, you could wear it in, for small events. And look at this one is brilliant with the orange. I love such kind of orange combinations, and especially when they come with a base white. So this one is again 880 and this one is 2500. This one would look brilliant as a same on same. Go for it for an entire orange outfit with this dupatta. Would look really nice. And yes, this dupatta that I'm going to show you, I think there was a lot of demand for that, and we do have this. So we have, this is the Chanderi embroidery with silver zari, as you can see. This one is 1890 and this dupatta is, I think, 2200 or 2500. So either ways, sorry, that one price I don't remember exactly, but this is the first combination. We launched it some time back. There was a lot of demand for this. So look at this. This is the first set that you could buy. The other combination with this is this mango color, and you will see that each of these look as nice with this black. It's so versatile, this black. You can see this, you can see the peach, you can see it here. This combination also, this is a peach, and the last one is a beige. Now you could wear this, you could even get this separately, and many combinations with this black one. Moving ahead, we have some pieces from again a premium cotton, and look at this. This is a yellow with this is the gold small rose design. You can see the border, you can see the small design that's there, and to offset this yellow we have this sea green Chanderi dupatta, and this dupatta 3400. You can see the zari here, and yes, so this is the combination. Again, really rich, very summery, very wearable, all of these in fact. Now this we are back to our rose collection in cotton, and this is the silver one, and for this one what we have paired it with is our net dupatta. Yes, so yes, we do have one of these net dupattas available, and yes, the tassels have been done. This one is for 8800, and yes, this dupatta, and with this you can see this combination. So really nice, very different, and it's it's really something. This is a little dressy. You could take this separately. This tissue dupatta, this is a tissue silk dupatta, 8800. This fabric 2800 per meter. We have a couple of last pieces to go. I love this mango color, especially in this, and we have done two combinations. The zari silver, look at how bright and perky this one is. This is the first one for Lehriya. For all of you looking for Lehriya, yeah, for especially Holi, this one's for you, and very wearable, very pretty. The other one that we have is this one. Look at this. This is in pure Georgette or Georgette crepe actually, and you can see that this is very light gold zari, and this is the combination. So this is the one, and now moving on to the next. This is from a cotton collection again. This is 880 per meter. This dupatta is 2500. So this peach and light blue combination for you to see. Again, chanderi with embroidery in a nice yellow color, good for a same on same combination. Now this one comes with the linen dupatta, and you can see the linen with the gold, and here it is, and this is the combination. So this one's really nice, and it's a little traditional combination. You can wear it to different ways. It's really nice, this one, because with this everything starts to look a little more dressy. It's linen but it has zari. This is 5,000. This is I think 1650 per meter. Yes, that's the rate. And going on to the next and the last one for today, we have this burgundy color in embroidery. This is sona and this is rupa, which means gold and silver. So this one in a burgundy in chanderi, it's a really nice color here. This combined with a hot pink dupatta. So this is the combination. This is again crepe georgette, 5,800 for this. This is 1650 per meter. And look at this combination. So that's the end of our cotton suit collections, and hope you guys liked it. This was a mix and match and many different colors and fabrics to suit your mood. Hope you're going to like this one. Thank you. Bye bye.